Dreamworks Tour agenda. This video is brought to you prisons.
Okay guys, big pardon for interrupting. I just want to deliver some information. My name is Mochammad Rizky, your narrator. Then, in this video we will take you fly to Dubai. There are 4 different destinations for each member of this group. That is, the Palm Islands, Dubai Museum, Dubai Gold Souk, and Burj Khalifa. You must overly eager to watch this. Alright, let's move on. Thank you.
I would like to introduce my peers.
Mochammad Rizky, Dindamaye, Tariq Zafran Ramadan, and this is the leader, Ahmad Baraisi. Here we go again. As you can see, it's me, Rizky, and my group with all the my tourists in lines. You can't see me, it's because I am recording it. We will take them to the first destination.
Welcome to our agency. The name is Dreamworks Tour Agency. And I am the leader of this agency. My name is Ahmad Bahrishi. I am as the leader of this tour want to take you first destination. That is Palm Jebel Ali. The Palm Islands are the artificial archipelago in Dubai, United Arab Emirates, where trade and residential infrastructure will be built. Their island become the largest land reclamation project in the world and form the largest artificial island in the world. Palm Jebel Ali become construction in October 2002 and is scheduled for completion in mid 2008. Palm Jebel Ali is known nickel invited several artificial to design a building. An area of 3.8. The winner in the building by Royal Masquerade. In 2012, the first phase of the theme parks will open and Crossfield Island. The park, later named World of Discovery, will be built and opened by Boots Entertainment.
The most popular and wonderful museum of Dubai. The Museum Dubai is made inside by Al Faridi Fort. Al Faridi Fort is building in 1787, is the oldest building on the soil Dubai. The museum was opened in 1971 for common public by the founder ruler of Dubai. Geographically, Dubai Museum is located in Al Faridi area, Bur Dubai. The total area of museum is 400 square meters. Dubai Museum Galleries, Dubai Museum Video Room, Dubai Museum Deck, Mosque, and models. The Dubai Museum timings on Saturday to Friday, 8:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. Well, on Friday, timing of Dubai Museum is from 2:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m.
So let's go to the second, the tour of the second place. The name of a building. The name of building is Dubai Gold Souk or Gold Souk. It's a traditional market in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. This souk is located in the heart of Dubai, Eastern Commercial Business District in Dera. The souk consists of 3,000 shops that sell most jewelry. When it was built, trade in this golden souk grew during the 1940s. After Dubai's free trade policy attracts interest venues from India and Iran to set up shop in the souk. And let's step off to the next tour destination. Here we are, as you can see in front of you all, the Burj Khalifa. For your information, the Burj Khalifa is in Arabic. It means Khalifa Tower. The Burj Khalifa is known as the Burj Dubai prior to its inauguration to 2010. Actually, the Burj Khalifa is a skyscraper in Dubai, located in United Arab Emirates, with a total height of 829 and a roof height, excluding the antenna, of 128 meters. The Burj Khalifa has been the tallest structure and building in the world since its opening up. For your information, it is the number one in the world. It was built on 6 January 2004. It was complete on 1 October 2009, and the Burj Khalifa had opened on 4 January 2010. The architect who has built Burj Khalifa is Adrian Smith. He is one of the most famous architects in the world, and he also built Tower of Judah in Jeddah. The function of Burj Khalifa, it can be used as boutique hotel, restaurants, and office building. It can be used as base jumping.